In this video, you'll learn how to create a social media website similar to Facebook. This process will guide you through using WordPress.com and its AI features to set up your site effectively. First, navigate to the WordPress.com website. Once you're on the home page, look for the option labeled Sites. Click on this option to proceed to the next page where you will manage your sites. Next, locate and click on the button that says Create with AI. This action will initiate the AI-driven site creation process, which simplifies the setup and design of your social media website. After that, you will see an option labeled Laying the Foundations. Click on this to continue. This step is crucial as it prepares the necessary groundwork for the website structure. Once this appears, you will need to wait for the AI to load. This may take a moment depending on your internet speed and the current load on the server. Ensure that your connection is stable during this process. When the loading is complete, a message will display stating, "Make a website as unique as you." This indicates that the AI is ready to assist you in customizing your social media site. At this point, type in the phrase, "Create a social media website like Facebook," into the provided text field. This input helps the AI understand your vision and sets the direction for the site's development. After you've entered the phrase, click on the Enter button to submit your inputs. This action tells the AI to proceed with your specific request, and you should see an acknowledgement message confirming the action. Next, a message will appear stating that, quote, WordPress.com can create a social media website like Facebook. This confirms that the AI is processing your request and is ready for the next step. You will now need to type in the choice provided in the previous message and click Enter again. This step is essential for guiding the AI in further customizing the website according to your specifications. Following this, you will see a prompt asking, "What should your website be called?" Here, you will need to enter a name for your site, which will be displayed in the Browser tab. This name should reflect the essence of your social media platform. Type in the desired name of your site in the designated field and click Enter to confirm your choice. A confirmation message will appear to indicate that your input has been accepted. Next, you will be prompted to provide a short tagline or description for your site. This tagline should summarize what your social media platform offers to its users. Once you have thought of a suitable tagline, type it in the provided field and click Enter. This action will finalize your description and prepare it for display in search results and social previews. Now, click on the button that says Create My Site. This will initiate the final setup process, and you may see a loading message indicating that your site is being created. After clicking, a message will appear stating, "Please wait, your site is brewing." This indicates that the system is working on your request and you will need to wait for it to finish. Be aware that this process may take some time, especially if the server is experiencing high traffic. Patience is key during this stage as your site is being generated. Finally, a message will appear stating, "This might take a while. This is a standard notification that the AI is working diligently on your request, and you should remain patient until the process is complete." That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.